Howdy, howdy. Alrighty, we are all set to go. Let's get this party started. All right. Okay, for the rules, when I'm in the editor, no mouse. I have 4 hours to create a game. Can't think of any other rules I would need. When in editor, I'm not allowed to use the mouse at all. Oh, C++ only. No blueprints. Mostly. So when I'm in the editor, I can't use my mouse. I only have 4 hours to create the game. We can start that soon. And I can only use C++. There's no blueprinting. For the most part, I might have to use the character blueprint. Let's see. I can't think what else I would need to do. Let's see. I think that's probably it. Now I'm just trying to figure out all the modes. Whoops. Let's see. Oh, there's a whole bunch. Okay, so that's how I can switch files. Control page up and page down. Alt page up and alt page down, nothing. Looks to be the same. What are all the modes? W, E. Okay, I'm adding that in there even though it's going to be such a pain to have no VIM docs. I'm just going to have to figure out myself. Or I might be able to look at, let's see. Yeah, I don't get anything. Yikes. Oh wait, I use the mouse. Shoot. Oh, but how do I get to other files? Uh-oh. Um. Oh dear. Okay. No VIM docs. If I don't have any docs, I don't even know how I can. Let's see, what is. Let's go back into normal mode. Okay, so mouse. Well, I can't even use my mouse. Shoot. Okay. How the heck am I going to do this? Insert, delete. So this appears to be normal. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh wait, I can't use my mouse. Shoot, this is gonna be such a pain. Shift left. And just skip. By words, what about shift control? Okay, shift control. Oh. Shift control. Shift control. I'm so confused right now. Okay, anyway. Shift control is exactly what I need. And copy this. Wait, hopefully Control C actually does what I think it does. Oh no. I don't even think Control C works. So I copy then. You do have to go to insert. Oh. Oh, I'm in V-line mode? Wait. I don't know how any of this works. Okay, let's go to insert mode. Oh, shift down. Shift down brings you all the way to the bottom. Shh. Visual. How do I... Oh no. This is gonna be a pain. Let me move things here. When in editor, no Vim docs. E++, only no blueprints. Mostly. I have 4 hours. Okay, let's send this message. Hopefully this works. And perfect. That does not look good. Oh dear. Let me try it in here. right. I'm trying to pin the message in YouTube. Okay. That one's gotta be good. And not look disgusting. Okay, perfect. Let's get this going. Oh wait, how do I... Well, W does not do anything either. Well, let's look through some of these. Control C. Okay, let's... Control C, Control V does not paste. What in the world? Control V. I need like a selection mode. Here, let's go into normal mode. Let's just try what everything does. R T Y U I. Okay, I inserts. O inserts into the line below. So it creates a new line and goes into insert mode. Okay. P. Oh, P pastes. Oh. Or P. Okay, okay. Learning. Let's get the timer started. So we're actually on the time limit here. Okay. Let me update something really fast for my tools. Okay. Things should hopefully be working now. Oh dear. Okay. Let's go out of... Okay. Well, I can use the editor one to close things. I still don't know how to open files. Does Control P... No. Shift F10. Sorry, okay. All right, let's make a game, but I can't even use my keyboard. Okay. Oh dear. All right. Game I'm thinking of making. my game idea. I'm thinking it is your character has to move through. Oh wait, I have to start the timer. Shoot. Okay, we are live. Your character has to move through a maze that can only be lit when not moving. That is the gist of it that I had thought of before starting. Ooh. So first what we need is, let's see how this set up. Okay, there is nothing here. That's lovely. I thought I started this as a top-down game. Well, we will be figuring it out. Let's start by making a level. Oh no. Make a level. This is main level. Okay, then we're going to need... Oh, actually, let's light this place up a little bit. We need skylight. We will need... Actually, if we don't do a skylight... Actually, we will need a skylight for editor purposes. Not what I needed. Uh-oh. Babes, we need... Sky atmosphere, and then a skylight, and then we will need a plane. Okay. We will then need... Oh dear. I can't remember how to start this anymore. It's been a while. Let's make this environment. World. Sky atmosphere. Skylight goes in here. But I cannot remember. Let's use... UE5 skybox. No. Start project. I don't remember. Okay, here we are. Not what we needed at all. What we get? I can't remember. Fog. We'll need that at some point. Why is the skylight not working? This is great. Oh, maybe we just need to turn the skylight up. Oh, cube map. Let's see. Oh, I don't have... Oh, I need like the base content. UE5 starter content. Download. I forgot to start it with starter content. I'm a fool. You know what? It would be easier if I just create a whole new project. Let's do that. Epic Games Launcher. We are going to delete you, close you, delete, and delete you. Creating a project. Okay. Games. We're going to create a top-down C++ starter content included. Let's move this over to our projects. This will be now be the VIM game. Okay, creating that. Already 10 minutes down. And let's get... Oh, I can't even do anything until this loads. Something I will need to figure out eventually. Here, VIM. IntelliJ VIM open file. Okay, colons is stuff we can do. Oh, I just need this to load. Perfect. Okay, it's loaded up on this other monitor. And then I like to immediately close it. And then opening it within the U project. Okay, perfect. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Oh dear. Okay, that's loaded in. Let's start it up. And now we'll have a few defaults, which will be helpful. There's a shortcut for this. Control F9. Okay. It should be loaded up. Where is it? There we are. Okay. Now we have some form of top-down. That works. Okay. First, let's delete all these blocks we don't need. Not what I meant to do. Okay. There we are. We just have our plane. I want to look at this lighting stuff. Directional light. Oh, that's right. We need directional light. That's why that was missing earlier. Okay. We do have volumetric clouds as well. Let's build a very simple maze. Static mesh cube. Get that and create a simple maze. Let's also move, where's the player start? Player starts here. Let's move that here. And just create something very simple here. Perfect. Okay. Now for the hard part, I just want to be able to move through this right now. Let's open up the blueprint, shall we, actually? This is just... Oh, this is not great. Characters, okay. No, wait. There we go, blueprints. Let's open the full blueprint editor here. There we go. Open the viewport and see what this is looking like. Camera boom is already top down. Perfect. Okay, now let's check out the script. And for this, VIM enabled. Oh, we have to open up. I do not know how to. Okay, we have a file open. That is a start. Command. I don't know. vimgame.h. Open. Oh. I don't know. I don't know how to open a file using Vim, so I'm just going to have to use my mouse on that part for the time being until I can figure it out. Or actually, let's look it up. I want Vim IntelliJ. Okay, to edit. I see. So we have to go Command E. Let's just work if I do Vim game character.h. It will. We can use Control page down, page up to switch between the two. Okay, learning. Getting there. Force inline. So I'm actually curious. It said SP Vim game. Does this have? It does not. Character dot H SP Vim game dot H. Okay, interesting. let's take a look at how this is all set up. So we're getting the top-down component, we're getting camera boom and camera. Getting the capsule. So this is in the initializing. We are getting looks like we're getting the capsule and setting the capsule size, setting the use controller rotation, pitch, yaw, and roll. We're setting all defaults for the top down. Get camera movement. You rotate rate. It's how fast, probably how fast the character can rotate. What I really need to finish right now, what to do is, oh dear. How is the player position getting set when I click? That's what I don't know. Is it in the player controller possibly? Let's see. Control E, VIM game player controller.cpp. Ah, wonderful. Okay, so show mouse cursor is on. Let's change that to false and let's... Oh, wait. Oh, dear. Escape. Hide. Insert. Oh, this is such a pain. False. And then escape since we're no longer needing to edit. I don't know how any of this works. Oh, dear. Where did my writer go? Okay. A VIM controller. Start to begin. And set up input component. This is where you typically set the input stuff. So we're getting from the enhanced input player subsystem. Let's see, just home and end. Those work. Okay. That's great. But this skips whole text blocks here. You can control. What about shift? Shift is what I want. Okay, shift, arrow keys moves you just by one word or to the next section. So we're getting the U enhanced player subsystem from the local player, getting that subsystem. So this is input just to the local player subsystem. You can get like the input for like a world subsystem, I believe. I've seen the docs for it here and there at least. I've never actually done it. Let's see. And so then we're just adding our default mapping context to it and set up action bindings by actually getting the enhanced input component, and then we are binding actions to it. So you can see here when the we have an action here which is in the eopen vim game player controller.h. Okay, that's great. Oh, control down moves you without scrolling. Okay, what about control shift down? Oh, it actually takes that line with you. Okay, what about alt down? Brings you to the next variable and our function. Ah, that's awesome. Okay, see, I can see that there is a point to Vim. Oh dear, I'm already like almost 30 minutes through. Let's see. Move the mouse cursor. Oh, that's easy fix. We can just turn that to false. I also want to check out how they actually did it though. Oh dear. Okay. So, let's see. We have destination click action. This is a U property, so that in this case, it's easy to create an action, create a blueprint from this and just assign it in the editor. I'm going to try to do that as little as possible though, just to keep it with C++ because I'm using Vim or learning Vim. Let's see. So we can say, I see. These are all the actions that actually get the mouse and or touch inputs. And I'm curious. Started, triggered, completed, canceled. You know, I probably should do this for all of my projects, is have the starter triggered, canceled, and complete. Unless you don't need one. But I should always do canceled just in case something does go in and cancel it. I think that would be a side case I wouldn't consider elsewise. So once that destination is triggered, if we are touching, if this is a mouse, then we are going to hit result under cursor. Is that a function? How do I open that? Uh-oh. Nope. Control O. Control O. I don't know what that does. I cannot. A function in here, or is that something? Hit result if I hover over this. Okay. Didn't use the mouse. I just moved it. Destination released. I see. Every time it is held or touched down, it should trigger. So let's test that out, see if that is the actual what's happening. Okay, well, I already messed with things. Let's just disable that. No. Zero. Oh, wait. Insert mode. And 0. That's no. 0. For bools, 0 is like false. And then Shift F9 to build. I'm gonna look this up real quick because you should be able to rebuild. Or actually, let me check the project settings. RIP. I don't remember. Enable live. Oh well. Whoops. We can just build by clicking on that. We are saving all of this. Okay. Perfection. Let's try that now. Oh, I'm still moving towards the cursor. Well, that didn't work then. How about we just... We can just remove these. Perfect. Awesome. I am being slightly... I could see myself being slightly faster with this if I kept going with it. Oh. Oh, wait, that's the width. Okay, I've never actually dealt with that before. What is going on? Okay. Let me try undoing these. Going to this. Oh. Escape. This is the width of it. Oh, okay, so that's not actually Google, it's an N32, so that's the insert. 1. Get to go out of insert mode. Let's see. B move to mouse cursor. Control F is not doing. Probably a single thing just for search. Uh-oh. No, I don't want to. Oh dear. Okay. I guess I'm just doing Control Shift F for now. We should follow. Oh, what was it even called? B move to mouse cursor. B move to mouse cursor. Can we just set that to false or 0? Interesting. Okay, and B move to mouse cursor equals false. I don't know what the point of them having B move to mouse cursor being UN32. I wonder what that's about. Okay, so now that that's set to false, will this build? And will I not go to the mouse cursor anymore? I still am. I think that's just lovely. Okay. We are going to just... Uh-oh. Not my brightest moment. Remove any of the inputs from going in. That should... Et voila. Okay. That'll allow us to not get any input coming in here. Perfect. Okay. Then... Oh dear. On set destination UAI blueprint helper. So is this character? I can't do that. Can't use mouse. A VIM game character. Oh. So it's acting as an AI. Move to this location. Interesting, interesting. Okay. Let's see if we can't. Let's see. I want to select things. Can I do a big shift end? No. Control shift. That didn't do anything. Oh, it does a new line. Oh dear. Wait, but I'm in insert mode. Oh. And O also takes you right into editor mode. Okay, interesting. Okay, shift down and up. It looks like it jumps you by page. Control down and up goes one at a time. Oh dear. I think I might have... How do I close this? Doesn't matter. Then what we need to do is, I'm just going to delete all of this, except I don't know. Okay, scroll up. Takes you out of. I don't know what that's even doing. I guess I'll just go into insert. Okay. How do I select a line? Alt. Well, I guess we're just leaving all the code there and making our own. That's lovely. Okay. Let's get into that. U property. Oh, I need to turn off code complete. Or at least the advanced one. An AI. I want. Oh, it would be called generation. Come on, son. Code generation. Well, I guess I'm leaving it. Edit anywhere. Blueprint read only. Yeah. Category. No. No. Equals input. Man, I hate this autocomplete stuff. Input Y. Okay, that's going to change. Meta equals allow private access equals true. U input action. This would be move action. Why is this unhappy with me? That's because I spelled this wrong. Right here. There we are. Then in here. All right. Let's make that a little bigger. Okay, then I'm just gonna add my own thing for my content. Why can I not create a new folder? There we go. My content. We're gonna make this input. We'll have another folder for actions. And then create an input action. Move action. And then we will have this be a 2D axis. Oh, and I cannot remember. You have to swizzle something if I'm or do something weird with it. I do not remember, but we will do that in here. Input, IMC default, mappings. We're gonna add one for, you can remove these, we don't need them. Move, action. Keyboard. I don't know, there's gotta be a WASD one. I don't know, WASD. Oh, it's, I remember. W. And then I believe I remember. Okay. This is going to take a bit of time to find out. Let's look it up real quick. All right. UE5, or let me double check this here. Yeah, okay, that's still pinned. Move input. Apparently that it no longer exists. That's lovely. Nope. Well, I guess we're figuring out by myself. To the character. Oh, the controller actually. Oh, can't use my mouse. We create this. Okay. Enhance input component, find action. Ooh, before I forget, I need to actually find it. I'm actually going to have to build, aren't I? Let me delete that. Oh, wait, no, it's fine. Oh man, it doesn't wrap around move action. The triggered event. Triggered. This. A VIM game controller. We're going to add a function. Let's see, add a function. Void move character. Make this. We need get on. Would get character work. Let's see, what does this do? Returns a character. Okay. So if, let's make this, oh dear, end. This is going to be an A character. Dot. Well, actually, character equals character, then add movement input. Oh wait, we need, oh dear. We need the movement input. I don't remember what the bind is for that one. Let's see, there's got to be an example of C++ in here. That's lovely. Let's watch a video really fast.
Hey guys, and welcome back to left.
I'm not
just because we use the and then we can have the swap x and y axis like so. Then we can close this one and move on to x. Swap x and y axis like so. Then we can close this one and move on to the by this. This one is going to, so we don't need to do any of this. We need and close it. So next we give it a tutorial. We also don't have a camera in here. So they attached it to the end of the spring arm like this. We're going to search for pawn, and we want to make sure
this is not C#
the rotation yaw is false. So
what's going on? Reddit. And I just can't with this. Move, no. Move character. But move character. Oh wait, I need to use VIM. Doesn't alt go by function? It does. Okay. Input. Don't remember. F input action value. That work. You go here. F input action value. Yeah, we'll include in here. Value. I need. Actually, it should then. Actually, no, we need to do F vector direction equals value dot get F vector. Can I just delete? Okay, okay. Oh. I'm not too sure what that was. Oh dear. And insert direction. Okay. Okay. Let's change this to false. Don't need to be scaled. Okay. Let's see if it will compile. Nope. Let's see. is very unhappy. Okay, so we need U input action, E triggered event. That's right, U input action. Oh. There's no. Insert mode. U input action. Input action. And let's see. U input action. This is going to be a reference or a pointer to it. An E triggered event. Trigger event. Okay, let's try this. No, Control C. How do I navigate to? Gotta be a faster way to do that. Declaration. Okay. This is lovely. I don't know how to paste. Copy paste in Vim. U input action. No. U. Oh dear. U input action. Input action. Action. And then F. Trigger event, something. E trigger event. E trigger event. Trigger event. Oh dear. Input action. Oh dear. Huh. Dot get this doesn't feel right. Pretty sure it is supposed to be get U input action value. Okay, no, no. Insert, no, no. Value. U. Oh dear. Gotta be kidding me. Okay. U input action. No, that's gotta be right. I'm getting tired, so I'm just gonna look it up. Let's see. I think it says it in here. We have U input action and E triggered event. There's a F input action value. Tricky. There's a whole bunch of them, it looks like. Let's see. Let's just see if this will compile. Okay. Nope. Time to eat. Let's see. How do you copy and paste with this? F input action value. Okay, that's it. F input action value. There's a reference. Const reference action value. Let's see. I'm looking it up. LJ VIM action copy the board. Okay. 2 plus. Y. Okay, plus, this doesn't seem right, plus, let's see, just Y, and then how do you, let's see what VIM settings show. And here. Okay. VIM, let's see. I don't know how. Copy and paste. Paste. Just Control V. Is Control C. Copy. It doesn't work though. It doesn't work. I don't know. Oh well. Constant F input action value. That's lovely. Vim is getting on my nerves. Const F input action value, input action value. Okay, let's try building now. Hallelujah, it built. Okay. That only took like an hour. Whoops, no mouse. I still... Okay. If I do okay. That is nice. Oh, that is funky. Value. Action value. Okay. Let's see. No. And O action. F vector. Direction. Equals action value. Dot get. F vector. If a character equals get character add movement. Okay, let's give that a shot. We will have to put into the blueprints. This is player controller. Move action. Okay. Oh, I never created that. When down, it should be triggered. And on W, it should be like that. W A, it'll be, I believe it just negate. S, it will be swizzle again. And switching Y and X, perfect. And then another modifier for negate. And then it would be D, which I believe is positive. Okay, let's check this out. Okay. Something ain't getting triggered. Let's just get rid of everything we don't need. Nope, we do need that. I also got rid. Oh no, we do need. I didn't. We're good. Okay. Okay. Now let's go over here and fix everything that we likely just destroyed. Oh wait, no, we need the default mapping context. Where did I delete that? All the way at the beginning. Yep. Okay, insert. New property, edit anywhere, perfect. We need meta to allow private access. Equals true. You input mapping context. What's just going on? Okay, that'll work. Default mapping context. Don't need that. Oh, we need to go into... Okay. Don't need any of this anymore. I just don't know how to delete more than one line yet. Oh wow, okay, I don't know what's going on there. Okay, I see. So we're in selection mode. D. I see. Okay. Getting it, getting it, getting it. Okay. And let's add a log actually. Oh, it's UE log temp warning text move character being called. Cool. Nope. Whoops. Looks like our declaration of character here overrides. Whoops. Gotta go to insert mode. Moving character. Okay. Let's try that again. F9. Perfect. Voila, let's see if that works. No, oh wait. It's because I changed the view property. Okay, let's try it now. Hey, that's working, except not really. I just need to figure out what input goes where. Okay, W currently goes to the right. S. D needs to be negated. So W. Oh dear, W and D need to switch. There we go, that's all I need. W shouldn't have any. D Profile swizzle. And that means D and S needs to be swizzled. No, A needs to be swizzled. And negated. And this one just needs to be negated. Let's try that now. Perfect. Character can move. Now let's make it so that when... Let's remove that. No need for that anymore. Okay. Now let's remove... Let's make this very dark. Oh, interesting. Lumen is on. You can tell by the little splotchiness every once in a while. Let me see, check something real quick. Uno momento.